Hey, today I am going to be unboxing my latest holiday edition, Sophie's Picks Beauty Box. Okay, so I couldn't be more excited. This is the holiday edition, what I call the deluxe edition. So a few times a year, as many of you know, I curate a Sophie's Picks beauty box, and the value of the boxes, and this box in particular, is well over $325 and is sold for way less. In fact, we do a flash sale, and the reason we do this is that we have a really limited amount of these boxes. So I know once you see me unboxing this, you're going to be like, I need to be on that flash sale list. And how you do that is you really need to be signed up for my newsletter. So I'll put a link for that underneath the video. Do that anyway, because there's so much good stuff on my newsletter. But also we have a link underneath this video in the description to the video of how you can sign up to be on the first to know list. It's really important because as a flash sale, these boxes go out to you first if you're on the first to know list. All right, so without further ado, let's get into the unboxing of the holiday edition. Oh my gosh, so excited. So these are products that I think are deluxe products. They are full-size deluxe products, and they to me are products that you wouldn't necessarily splash out on or indulge either for yourself or buy as gifts in usual times. But it's special times, and special times call for special gifts. So what have we got here? All right, so the first product that I'm going to show you is absolutely stunning. I mean, the packaging alone is stunning. So this is Tiffany Anderson Brand's Cave Gold Heart of Gold Elixir. And I can only tell you that this is a sublime anti-aging product. It's a serum, but it's sort of more than a regular serum. Okay, first off, let's talk about the packaging. Who doesn't want this sitting on their bathroom shelf? It makes you just feel like a goddess or a queen. This beautiful jewel mirrored lid, and then you open it up and you really do have this super precious elixir inside. So this beautiful brightening serum, which actually is a gel, it contains over 14 therapeutic grade ingredients to soften, smooth, brighten and hydrate your skin. And the ingredients include noni, goji, acai, mangosteen, snow mushroom, and that's just a few of the therapeutic grade ingredients that have been packed into this beautiful serum. Now, when you apply this serum, your skin will tingle a little bit, which really shows that it's working. And you put it on after cleansing. So that's when you're going to apply on your face, your neck, and your chest, a little bit of tingling, and then you'll apply your regular moisturizer. It really up levels your beauty routine. I mean, I've heard such astounding reviews of women who have used this religiously for a length of time. And it's just like the overriding comment I hear is, I don't need to wear makeup anymore. So anyway, absolutely thrilled that this is in the beauty box. It's actually a little mirror at the top as well. All right, so let's look at what's next. So talk about cleansing. So before you would apply your beautiful Tiffany Anderson Cave Gold brightening serum, you want to cleanse. Now, I love this cleanser. So this is the next product in this box. So this cleanser is by Bugavia. And as many of you know who have been following me for a while, Bugavia and all the products in this box, what sort of unifies them, or their commonality, is that they are created by formulators, by brands, but they're actual formulators that I personally know, every single one of these in this box, who really care about your health and the health of the planet. So actually the Tiffany Anderson, the Cave Gold, Tiffany is actually a cancer survivor herself of stage 4 cancer. So for her, she wanted to create a line of really outstanding anti-aging products, really understanding that if you've been through cancer or if you've been ill and you want to avoid toxins, obviously you shouldn't have to compromise on your anti-aging routine. And she really knows her stuff there. So there's a testament to creating a really clean product. Alison from Bugavia is the same. So Alison creates super, super clean products, but it's products that also have the efficacy, because as far as I'm concerned, as a 56-year-old woman, I want products that are really going to work on my skin too. So this is the Nourishing Facial Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover. Now, it is a 2-in-1 product, because what it does is that it actually removes all of your makeup, including eye makeup. And I don't know about you, but sometimes it's sort of annoying if you think, well, I've got a cleanser, but can I use it on my eyes? Can I really remove, eye makeup, including mascara? Well, yes, you can with this Bugavia facial cleansing oil and makeup remover. So you put a few pumps, about 5 to 8 pumps in your hand, and you'll massage it onto your skin. Add a little bit of water, and then it turns milky. It turns into a milky, creamy cleanser. And just all in one fell swoop, you can remove all your makeup and cleanse. And you could even do a double cleanse with it if you wanted to. And due to the beautiful botanical oils that are in it, it is going to leave your skin feeling moisturized, not stripped. You know that horrible feeling that some cleansers can leave you where your skin feels really tight and dry? Not so with this. And perfectly primed to apply your Cave Gold, Heart of Gold Elixir Serum. So that's that. So 2 beautiful facial treats. All right, next up, we have a treat for your eyes. So as many of you who follow me know, I always say, look, we don't necessarily have to have all these bells and whistles in our skincare routine, but when it's a deluxe holiday edition, why not look at some of these things that we wouldn't normally necessarily add to our beauty routine? And case in point would be an eye serum. So I was looking for a really, really beautiful eye serum. So I had a very, very good look. As many of you know, I review hundreds of green beauty products every single year. And this one really stood out to me. And it's by Java, and it's their beautiful coffee infused eye serum. So it is made with coffee, as all their products are, which can tighten and brighten the skin. So particularly coffee works really well in eye treatments. And in this case, in this really light eye serum that instantly absorbs. It feels like it's tightening and brightening the delicate tissues under your eyes immediately, and is such a beautiful product, again, that has had really, really rave reviews. And what I really love is it comes in this beautiful little bottle here, and it's super duper easy to apply because it has a little ball applicator. Little tip here that I would say, if you get this, that you're just going to love, is pop it in the fridge overnight, winter or summer, and particularly that really helps with puffy under eyes. Okay, so next up in the beauty category, we have, oh my gosh, by Spa Ritual. So Spa Ritual is a brand I have always loved, and I can't get enough of Spa Ritual. So Shell Pink, who is the founder, also the author of a book called Slow Beauty, who is really one of the pioneers in the green beauty space. Spa Ritual products are her creation. It's her beautiful brand, and they're very, very high-end spa products that you would typically find in a very high-end spa. But she's made them so we can really bring our own spa, our own feeling of having our own home spa to our bathroom or our own homes. And particularly during these difficult times, that's even more important. So this is the hand serum, and I'm so happy that this is in the box. It's not just a hand cream, it's a hand serum. Because what it does is it helps to repair. It's deeply anti-aging, and it can repair all that wear and tear that many of us have got on our hands, or our hands are suffering due to the hand washing and hand sanitizers we've been using for this season. It has a beautiful citrus and cardamom scent. It is absolutely outstanding. And then, as if that wasn't enough, you get a Spa Ritual, and this is, I'm wearing it right now. It's my new shade, obsession, this particular shade. And Spa Ritual, I really have to say that these nourishing vegan nail colors by Spa Ritual have changed my nail life. I've not been able to have my nails done. I have not been to a nail salon since February, so months and months. Soon that will be a year. But I've learned how to do my own nails and make them look as pretty as when I used to go to a salon. And I really say that this is down to this nail color. And you don't need a base coat. Don't need a top coat. You just need this because it's nourishing and it's all that all in one. Vegan. Now this particular shade is called Delve Deeper, and what is so pretty in the bottle, it looks like a sort of deep purple, but then when you put it on, it looks different in different lights. So sometimes it looks like you're wearing almost like a really, really deep crimson or a black, and then in daylight it looks like the beautiful purple color. It's sophisticated, it's elegant, it's pretty, and I'm obsessed. All right, so last but not least, we have a treat for your insides. So we've done the outsides, and the treat on the insides is an ingestible, and this is by Prima. So Prima is a very high-end line of CBD products. But when I say CBD, hemp CBD products, there are many out there, and I think Prima is really one of the highest qualities, because it really is truly all about quality. So the quality of the CBD and the hemp in the products is second to none, and they take it really seriously, this brand, in bringing you something that is efficacious and is of the highest standard. Now, this is called the Trifecta, and these are botanical elixirs. And here you have the sample pack, which I think is beautiful, where you get a little elixir, a couple of them actually, for morning, noon, and night. So you get the brain fuel, the go-to, and the rest easy. And they come in these little single-sized servings. You just pop it in a glass of water or juice or whatever you're drinking, or you could even put it in your plant-based, a little steamed plant-based milk at night, and let it do its thing. And so it's just a wonderful way for many of us who have never taken ingestible CBD products before. And CBD, obviously all the psychoactive compounds have been taken out of it, so it won't get you high, but the botanicals can really make a difference. They're adaptogens, they can help your brain stay sharp and focused. They can help you to sleep better at night. It can be very soothing and calming. So it might be something you really want to try. So that's by Prima. So that's it. So do not forget, it is a flash sale for this box. They actually sell out within a few hours, always. So seriously, do click on that link below the video, because I want to make sure that you're at least on that list, because first dibs go out to everybody who's on that list before we'll actually sort of put it out to the public. And even if you don't manage to get a box, do check out some of these products, because I know for a fact that you're going to love them as much as I do. And I'll see you next time.